Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add multiple accounts in OneDrive using the easiest method possible. This is really useful if you use separate Microsoft accounts for work, school, business, or personal files and want to manage everything on the same computer without constantly signing in and out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect multiple OneDrive accounts, access them inside File Explorer, and manage files between them easily. So with that said, let's jump right in. First, make sure Microsoft OneDrive is already installed on your PC and currently running. You can quickly check this by looking at the bottom right corner of your screen near the taskbar. You should see a small OneDrive cloud icon. Now click the OneDrive cloud icon once. A small OneDrive panel will open. Next, click the gear icon near the top right corner of that panel. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Microsoft OneDrive settings window. Inside the settings window, click the Account section near the left side. Here, you'll see your currently connected OneDrive account. Now click the button called Add an Account. A new Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Enter the email address of the second Microsoft account you want to add to OneDrive. Then click Sign In. Now enter the password for that account and complete the login process. Depending on your security settings, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity using a code, email verification, or authentication app. Complete the verification if need. You'll now notice multiple OneDrive accounts listed separately. This makes it very easy to organize personal documents, school projects, work files, photos, or business folders without mixing everything together. Now let's say you want to add a third account. The process is exactly the same. One really useful feature is being able to move files between accounts directly inside File Explorer. For example, you can drag a file from your personal OneDrive folder into your work OneDrive folder. OneDrive will automatically upload and sync the file to the correct account. This saves a lot of time compared to downloading and uploading files manually through the website. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and easy tech tutorials. And if you run into any OneDrive syncing problems or account setup issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.